Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing this Teslong triple lens borescope. This is their NTS700 model. A link to this will be included in the video description along with a coupon code. First off, this comes with a very nice hard plastic case which keeps your camera all in one neat package and protects it while not in use. Some of the specs are listed on the back of the case, however I will be going more in depth through this video. There are two latches at the front of the case. This also has a hinged pivot at the back, so no flexible plastic joint where it can fatigue and eventually break with extended usage. Inside the case, all the components are separated by foam. There is a spot for the monitor, wires and attachments, and camera cable. First is the monitor. It has a 7-inch IPS screen. This is an in-plane switching screen. It's a form of LCD that allows you to view it from different angles, which is great if you're working in awkward positions. It does have a resolution of 1280 by 720. The larger screen makes viewing any objects very easy than compared to the smaller versions. The monitor has the charging and SD card port on the bottom protected by a rubber cover, equipped with a removable stand on the rear, HDMI port on the rear, light at the back, and user buttons on the front next to the screen. Next is the charging cable. In the small plastic case is a magnet and hook attachments for the end of the camera. The cable length is 16.5 feet or 5 meters and has a diameter of 0.3 inches or 7.9 millimeters. The battery is rated at 6,000 milliamp hours with 6 hours of runtime and 4 hours of charge time. Attach the camera cable to the monitor. It simply screws into place. There is a red dot which aligns with a tab on the connection. Now is turning on the camera. Press and hold that power button. Here you can see the light on the rear of the camera, which is activated by the button at the top. Pressing the light button will change the dimness or toggle on and off the LED at the camera tip. Depending on the area you're working in, a dimmer or brighter LED may be more appropriate in order to see detail. When in camera mode, we can use the record button to take a photo. The down arrow on the keypad will allow you to rotate the image. When not in recording, you can press and hold the record button, and this will toggle between the different cameras and split screen mode. On Teslong's older models, this was done by pressing a button on the camera screw-on connection. On the split screen mode, here you can see more than one camera on the tip to view different angles at the same time. This is also a new feature. This cable is equipped with 3 cameras as mentioned previously. Pressing the end button will allow us to toggle between the different modes. There is a photo mode, video mode, and playback mode. In order to record video, you would press the record button just below the light button. When recording, this will show by an indicator at the bottom of the screen. Also shown on the screen is the date and time stamp at the bottom right. At the top right, will show your current battery charge, if a memory card is installed, and if the microphone is activated. At the top left will show what mode you're in. Pressing OK will allow you to freeze the picture. When in playback mode, we can use the arrows and the OK button to control pictures and video. The function of each of these buttons will be shown at the bottom left of the screen. Next is settings. Here we can see the resolution. As you can see, we have 2 different options. One is 1920 by 1080 and the other is 1280 by 720. We can also toggle the date stamp on and off and enable a shutter sound. Pressing the settings button again will open up more options. Here we have an automatic shutdown, language, date and time, Wi-Fi, formatting the memory card, default settings, and version of firmware. Here is some unedited sample footage. It has built-in Wi-Fi capability, so it's able to connect to your smartphone or tablet to share your screen with others and take photos or videos. It has an IP67 rating, which means it's protected from dust and is waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The front viewing camera has a depth of field of 1.2 to 4 inches with 8 LEDs. The one side camera has a depth of field of 0.8 to 2.4 inches with 1 LED, and the other side camera has a depth of field of 0.6 to 1.2 inches with 1 LED. The cable length is 16.5 feet or 5 meters and has a diameter of 0.3 inches or 7.9 millimeter. The battery is rated at 6,000 milliamp hours with 6 hours of runtime and 4 hours of charge time. Overall, I have to say I'm extremely happy with this Borescope from Teslong. It's extremely easy to use. I do prefer the larger screen as it's easier to see objects. The quality of video is excellent, especially in dark areas. I am especially a fan of the 3 cameras with a split screen mode. This makes it extremely easy to navigate in various spaces and ensuring you're able to see all details. This is great for mechanics, contractors, plumbers, people doing work at home, machine inspections, used car inspections, etc. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.